Hello guys, today I'm discussing about the best information to start your YouTube channel as a fitness master or gym trainee. After watching this video you will be able to start a YouTube channel with unlimited content for your channel. If you want to start a channel, then it is not must to show your face or use your own voice to create video, and learning video editing is also not must to start a channel. There are many ways to start a channel. Like you can work as a team, search an editor, a manager, and you can work as a content searcher. And there are many websites which are very helpful to give you all information about fitness, exercise, and diet. If you have a good knowledge of fitness, then you can easily start it with a basic knowledge. But if you want to learn it, then you can also join a gym to work practically and learn it with more information. But in this world of internet, you can search any information about anything. First, creates notes of different types like diet, exercise, and information about fitness. Start guiding people with basic knowledge. Create a course of 30 days or 60 days fitness challenge. You can also create playlists of different challenges which people can follow you to learn about bodybuilding. And you can also create videos for those people who want to work out at home with very affordable diet. And this topic of bodybuilding have unlimited content like which food is best for bodybuilders, best products to purchase for your fitness home gym. And if you have confidence, you can also start vlogging as a bodybuilder if you have a perfect body, or you can also work on it to motivate your viewers. And the main thing to become a trainer is that you must have a knowledge to motivate people for bodybuilding. You can teach best quotes, poetry, and lectures on YouTube and link them to your video to motivate people, and you can also create them by you. Once your channel get monetized, you can have a good investment for your fitness. And if you want to work more greatly and perfectly on your channel to hit other YouTubers, you can learn about the best gym equipments to use in your daily life. And you can have a chance to start your own online business of gym equipments like belt, gloves, grip strengthener, dumbbells, and there are so many other products which you can easily sell on your Amazon store to link them with your viewers. And you can also make unboxing videos to add them on your channel. And once you start this channel, you have unlimited knowledge of bodybuilding. And everyone have their own mind, own missions, and own question. Don T. Forget to read comments. People have so many doubts about fitness like best food, best supplements, and best protein for a bodybuilder. If you have good friends and you also want to start a YouTube channel about bodybuilding, just share the link of this video to them and create a team and also start working on it today. And if you have any other question about this field or editing, just leave a comment. We will must reply you soon. If you can work today, then there's a goal for you to target of monetization and start your online business. And if you successfully create a channel and also create your business, then you can also work on it with a great team. You can hire any type of editors from internet, which can work remotely with you. Todat, we have created this video to complete guide you about this fitness channel. If we found any great comment, we will must create another video of this topic like how to start YouTube channel and business of birds, fishes, etc. And you can ask any topic. We will search the best information of that topic and must create a video for you. We recently uploaded many videos of phone competition, and after getting a loss we have started working on bring guidance for you. If you like this information, kindly like, subscribe, and share our video for more information.